Díagwit agus fáilte go dtí an rang seo na réamhfhocail. So seo hiad na réamhfhocail Shímplí, the simple prepositions. Le, ag, agus do. Okay, so you've heard these loads of times. Lum, like mar hampla is maith lum. Ag, a gum, a gut aige, a gum, so mar hampla tá gansaí nua a gum. Sin urt urtí. So mar hampla tá brown and do, dum dit do di. So Adam is anam dum mar hampla. Okay, now task ahain, líon na barney. Okay, so scríomh isteach I do chomhtléir. So exactly what you see there, scríomh isteach sa chomhtléir. Okay, so you're taught to críochnatha leanna right. When you're finished, go on to the next page. And there you go. Sin na fragri, okay? There's the answers. So make sure you have all of them isteach an sin, okay? Líon na barney. On what? Inish, the function of ag, do, agus le. Okay, so mar hampla ag is to have. All right, so see how many you can get. Scríomh isteach sa chomhtléir, and then see how many you get right. Okay, on to the next page. You'll see there. Okay, on what? So mar hampla. Okay, so scríomh inis seo task over 3. Scríomh as gaeilge agus béarla. Full sentences as gaeilge agus as béarla I do chomhtléir. So mar hampla ibre a hain. Sinead is anam di. Cad é sin as béarla? Sinead is her name. Okay, on what? So she's gonna ibre hooked. Okay, task ibre cahar. Full sentences. Okay, Jack is anam do me dum. Okay, Jack is anam dum. So if you're not sure, you go back, fake isteach sa chomhtléir, and there you go. You'll see me, you'll find do, and do a cross section, and there you go, dum. Now, scríomh sin as béarla freisin. Jack is my name. Jack is anam dum. Sean is anam do sé, etc. Okay, so hain gadi a day. Now, extra challenge. I expect anyone who's looking to do ord level. Lana Raig le seo. Okay, so gach duine ag déanamh ord level féicear task iver cuaig. Scríomh as gaeilge agus béarla. So she has red hair. Tá gruig rua urtí. Urt urtí. Tá gruig rua urtí. Okay, so scríomh an béarla agus an gaeilge. Her name is Mary. I have a new bike. So which réamhfhocail would you use when you're saying to have? Okay, look, it's all there in your chomhtléir. Okay, on a what?